Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are calculating Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Statement is given from the data is related to density of population and death rate. Calculate the sum by step deviation method. And which measure should be initiated by the government in this regard? He is asking. So let us start. First of all, we are writing two formulas for the calculation of number one, density of population, which is population divided by area. Second formula for the calculation of death rate, number of deaths divided by population multiplied by 100. So here statement is given area, population and death. When population will be divided by area, then we can calculate density of population, which will be denoted by X here. And death rate, number of deaths when it will be divided by population and multiplied by 100, it will be denoted as Y. So let us divide the population with area. We get the values 200, 500, then 600 and last one is 250. Next we are assuming from the X, we are assuming 500. Then we have to calculate dx. The values of dx. Dx will be 500 is the assumed value. It will be minus 300, 0, 100, minus 250. And for the calculation of dx dash, let us dx will be divided by common equal class interval. और कॉमन फैक्टर हम यहाँ ले रहे हैं 50. 50 will be the common factor. So 300 divided by 50, it will be minus 6, 0, 2 and minus 5. Then for the calculation of dx dash, 36, 0, 4 and last one is 25. Then for the calculation of y or death rate, number of deaths will be divided by population. And the values will be equivalent to 12, 16, 15 and 14. Again we are assuming from y, we are assuming 60, 16, so that would be dy. A is equal to 16 and the calculations will be 12 minus 16 minus 4, 0, minus 1 or minus 2. Then for the calculation of dy dash, nothing is common factor, so common factor would be equivalent to 1. Minus 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Then for the calculation of dy dash square, 16, 0, 1 or 4. Next we have to calculate dx dash multiplied by dy dash. Dx dash, dy dash 24, then 0. Next minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 2 or last one is 10. So summation dx dash sigma dx dash multiplied by dy dash is equal to 32 and summation dy dash square is equal to 21 and summation dy dash is equal to minus 7. Similarly, let us sum up all the values of dx. The calculation of dx will be dx dash will be minus 9. Dx dash square is equal to 65. Dx dash square, ठीक है, ये 65 है. And now let us put the values in this formula which is related to Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. This is step deviation method. Sigma dx dash multiplied by sigma dy dash, that is 32 minus sigma dx dash, which is minus 9, multiplied by this is minus 7, whole divided by, how many values are there? There are only 4 calculations, divided by 4, whole multiplied by whole divided by sigma dx dash square. Sigma dx dash square is equal to 65 minus sigma dx dash minus 9 whole square divided by 4 whole under root multiplied by sigma dy dash square. Dy dash square is equal to 21 minus sigma dy dash is equal to minus 7 whole square divided by 4 whole under root. It would be equivalent to 32 minus 15.75 divided by 65 minus 20.25 multiplied by 21 minus 12.25 under root, which is equivalent to 16.25 divided by 44.75 under root multiplied by 8.75 under root is equal to 16.25 divided by 19.80 is equal to 0.82 will be the answer. So we have to write down there is a high degree of positive correlation between density of population and death rate. So the government should improve healthcare facilities for the senior citizens. That would be the answer. So that's all regarding this numerical. Do subscribe my channel to see such type of typical more numericals related to correlation. Thank you.